Should I buy a watch with the screw-on case back or a solid case back? And the answer, it really depends a lot on you. If you are the type of person that's rough on watches and you expose them to water, I would recommend going for the solid case back because there's no seal that can dry out around here. Like the seal, the rubber seal around this case back can dry out and start to leak. Another thing to consider is going to be the ease of maintenance. If we want to open this watch, we've got to take up the bezel without scratching the case, without warping the bezel, without cracking the bezel. Then we have to use a special tool to grab the crystal and remove it, which can also crack the crystal. Another risk. If we want to adjust the timing, again, you have to take this out all through the top, as opposed to this piece where we could just simply open the case back and adjust the timing, or open the case back and pull the crown out to put a new gasket on there. However, it is going to be less waterproof than the solid case back. If I've forgotten any pros or cons, please share in the comment section. Thank you.